simplify the night and simply say it's like, oh, we're going to learn about Bitcoin. But it's so much bigger than that. The blackwallstreet.com was created by you and Hill Harper. Why?
Well, first of all, the money leaves our community right now in about 7 hours. And Hill and I recognize that if we don't do something in this new digital space, that the money is going to leave within 6 to 7 seconds.
I think one of the biggest surprises is just to see how many people, as you stated, here in the U.S. don't have access to just internet. Just basic things that we take for granted. And so I need to go back and rethink, look at and evaluate all these cities I just left and really see what blockchain programs we need to bring to make sure they get the internet.
It's expensive to be poor. Now we can actually change that if we think about how powerful our spending is and how we use our dollars. And in particular, how we use our digital dollars. No. So I'm going to give it back to Najah Roberts, who is going to break down the reason why we need to use, and particularly in our community, we need to use cryptocurrency as a means for building wealth and as a tool
just
for
watch
building
it.
wealth.
See what it does. But the only way you lose in Bitcoin is when you sell your Satoshis. Because I bought Bitcoin one time at the height, it was like $17,000. Then it slammed down to $4,000. And it stayed $4,000 for a painful year or so. And I'm telling you, it was painful because I felt like I lost that money. But now
and you actually even have a camp to teach kids how to be financially literate in this new crypto world. So that's great. You could speak to us like those children. Yeah, because that's what we need.
Absolutely.
Let's start very basic. What is cryptocurrency? And then also with Walmart deciding that they're going to have their own. I mean, how does it have value if somebody can just pop up and decide, hey, we're going to have a crypto now?
You know what? The biggest thing that we all need to know is that money can be anything that someone is willing to accept.
Most importantly, I'm here today to support Najah and to say that we are honored and humbled to have her on our station. I feel like we're doing a public service by educating, by enlightening, by empowering our people. I want to wish her and Hill all the best on this 41-city tour that they're taking across the country, but I didn't want to miss walking across the street today to say hello to my friend Hill Harper and to tell Najah how proud of her we are for being a part of our station every day.
Kind of disgruntled with how financial services was working for our community specifically.